we will learn a new text title effect. Write whatever you want to write here. I straight the text. I am doing the writing here the way it's look good. Once the design of the text is fixed, we will come to the effect controls. I will multiply the opacity here. If you want, if you make it darken, but I will make multiply. I will fix the position of the text. And then come to effect and put corner pin on the on text layer. After that, come to the effect control and do the corner pin as you wish. I will do it like 3D effect. Text title is done. If you have any question, then comment it.